Welcome class 7. Today I shall start with the YouTube channel. I shall start with Civics chapter 2, Role of the Government in Healthcare. Now, health is a state of physical and mental well-being. Our health is affected by numerous factors. For example, if people get clean drinking water, healthy diet, a clean pollution, free environment, they are likely to be healthy. In order to prevent and treat illness, we need proper healthcare facilities such as healthcare centers, hospitals, ambulances services, blood banks, etc. With next children, we should be active and in good spirit without any mental strain. In democratic countries where people elect their own government, they expect it to work for their welfare. Health sector is the major sector in India that needs maximum attention. Now next page children, page number 124. Healthcare services. In a country like India, healthcare is very challenging task. A large number of public and private hospitals and other medical centers are functioning all across the country. Healthcare centers which are owned by individuals are called private healthcare centers, while those under the government are called public healthcare centers. Now, what are the strengths of the healthcare centers? India has a large number of colleges for medical studies in the world, and it has increased since independence, and India receives a large number of medical tourists who come for treatment in some of the hospitals. They come to India for treatment. India is the third largest producer of medicines in the world. Now, what are the weaknesses in this matter, children? Most doctors prefer to work in urban areas, so the number of doctors in rural areas is less. People living there have to travel long distances for doctors and stand in long queues. Queues means lines. About 5 lakh people die from tuberculosis every year. This number is almost unchanged since independence. 2 million cases of malaria are diagnosed every year with no fail in number. Now, 21% of all communicable diseases are waterborne. They are carried by water. The availability of clean water is an issue here due to the presence of a large number of population. Half of all children in India are undernourished with lack of adequate food to eat. Now, do you know India has a large number of blood banks to provide blood to the people in need? People donate blood in exchange of blood from blood bank because it cannot be manufactured in laboratories. Next children is public healthcare services. Government sets up different types of public healthcare services. At village level, there are healthcare centers where there is usually a nurse and a village health worker. They are trained in dealing with common illness and work under the supervision of doctors at primary health care centers, PHC, primary health centers. Now, such a center covers many villages in rural areas. At district level, there is a district hospital that supervises all the health centers. Large cities have many government hospitals which have facilities for advanced and specialized treatment. Development of new medical procedures and technologies have enabled India to make great progress in medical science. Now, according to our constitution, I hope you know the meaning of constitution, a body of rules and regulations according to which a state is governed. According to our constitutions, it is the primary duty of the government to ensure the welfare of the people and provide health care facilities to one and all. Now, private healthcare services. In India, a wide range of private healthcare facilities exist. In the rural areas, one finds registered medical practitioners, that is RMPs. Urban areas have a large number of doctors who work for private healthcare facilities. They are owned by business organizations. In private hospitals, patients have to pay a lot of money for every service they use. Today, the presence of private facilities can be seen all around. Many hospitals and nursing homes are part of private healthcare and provide facilities such as X-ray, ultrasound, etc. There are large number of medical shops too which sell medicines. Now these question answers, children, I have done with you. I have explained in detail. Now I am just reading the matter. Now you must have got number 1 answer is public health care, number 2 is rural, number 3 is false, number 4 is true, and number 5 is what kind of facilities do private healthcare centers have? This answer, they have good facilities, but they are more expensive. Now next, children, equality in healthcare. Now private healthcare centers are increasing much rapidly than public healthcare centers. Hence, people are forced to opt means ask for private healthcare facilities where cost of treatment is high. Yes, in private healthcare facilities, the cost of treatment is high. People go over there because they have, they seem to be better, and they have, in public, they don't have hope. Private healthcare centers sometimes support incorrect practices with the ultimate objective of profit maximization. But of course, sometimes they too are not good. Sometimes it is not only the lack of money that prevents people from going proper medical treatment, but there are also a number of other causes that avert them from using healthcare services. Some of these causes are as follows. Number 1, many villagers are afraid of visiting medical centers and have faith in their local doctors, who at times do not have proper knowledge. Yes. So, you see, people have faith on the local doctors. Next, women are not taken to doctor in a prompt manner. Yes, because they stay at home, they are not given treatment at the prompt manner quickly. Unless they are serious, they are not taken to the doctors. Their health concerns are considered to be of less importance than the health of men in the family. Now, some areas have no medical facilities at all. Many people are unaware about the medical facilities available in their areas. The government is trying to make people aware about these healthcare facilities through advertisements. Equality in healthcare facilities can be ensured by following the given ways. Number 1, now in urban areas, you see, in urban areas, government must keep a check on the private nursing homes where doctors prescribe tests and expensive treatment to raise the bill, which can be avoided. Secondly, conditions of public health care centers should be improved so that poor people do not need to go to private clinics and hospitals. Now, there Prescribe means, yes, you see, to direct to use certain medicines or procedures of treatment. This is prescription is given by the doctors. And all these I have done, page number 127. All these I have marked, children, I have discussed. And question answers also from the next page. I have done all the question answers and I've sent you the notes. On 9/7/21 I have sent these two sets, and other sets, some things I have sent on 16/7/21, some notes I have sent on 19/7/21. Please learn them, it will not be very hard for you. Thank you, children. Let us stop here.